In this video, you will learn how to pay in full with PayPal. To pay in full with PayPal, to split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, follow these simple steps. First, add the items you want to your shopping cart on the website that supports PayPal Pay in Full. Then, when you're ready to check out, select PayPal as your payment method. Then, choose Pay in Full. Log into your PayPal account. On the payment page, you will see an option that says Pay in Full equal installments. If it's eligible, you will see the option underneath to choose your payment choice. Select Pay in Full. Then, PayPal will show you the payment plan breakdown for 4 equal payments. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions of PayPal Pay in Full. This may include a soft credit check. However, it does not affect your credit score. Next, you will be able to pay your first payment at the time of purchase. The remaining 3 payment purchases will be automatically deducted every 2 weeks from your PayPal account. Then, after you confirm your payment details, PayPal will complete your order and the first payment will be charged. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.